Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G52, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. You need to begin by opening Play Store app and clicking on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck and install this free app from this developer. Device check and system info. Following that, just click on Open. From this free app, you can find out all the information about your Motorola's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!